Hello students, today we will see the C4 cycle, also known as Hatch and Slack pathway, because Hatch and Slack were the two scientists who discovered this. Where they discovered this pathway first? In the sugar cane. Okay, first the plant they used is sugar cane. Okay, so now mostly they will be found in monocot plants, mostly, not almost. C4 cycle is found in monocot plants. Okay, they have unique characteristics. Okay, C4 plants have unique characteristics. We will see that now. The first one is dimorphic dimorphic chloroplast. Dimorphic chloroplast means two types of chloroplast is there. What are that? Granule chloroplast, granule and agranule. Okay, what is granule? The presence of grana. Agranule, no grana is present. No, this is the chloroplast, two membrane. This like they will be arranged, grana and the stroma lamella. But here the stroma, the chloroplast, only the stroma lamella will be present. There will be no grana. So these are the two dimorphic chloroplast. Okay, the next one, Cran's anatomy. Okay, Cran's anatomy. What is Cran's anatomy? If you see this pathway, see a leaf. Upper epidermis we have, and the lower one. And as it is a monocot plant, there is no difference. So the mesophyll cells are same like this. Now in the center we have a special cell called as bundle sheath cell, like this. Okay, so this which I have drawn and green color is the mesophyll cell. Clear? This brown color is the bundle sheath cell. This is mesophyll. Okay, this is bundle sheath. Clear? Next, here this one is vascular bundle. Okay, now this is the unique characteristic of the C4 plants. Dimorphic chloroplast, we won't find this dimorphic chloroplast in C3 plants, only in this C4 plants. Then Cran's anatomy is also found in only in C4 plants. Okay, this part, if we zoom, get this part alone, we will take this for our cycle. Okay, here only we will take our cycle. Here one cycle takes place, here one cycle takes place. What is that? Mesophyll cells, C4 cycle takes place. In bundle sheath cell only C3 cycle takes place. Okay, here C4 cycle takes place. Clear? Okay, now we will enter into the cycle. What are the other examples you can give here, children? Maize you can say, maize, sorghum you can say. So these are the examples, but found in sugar cane. Okay, now the first compound that is used for the fixation is phosphoenol pyruvate. Okay, phosphoenol pyruvate. From atmosphere, one carbon dioxide comes with the water, they form with this phosphoenol pyruvate, we get oxaloacetic acid. Okay, with one carbon dioxide and one water molecule and one phosphoenol pyruvate. Okay, we get one, this is 4 carbon compound. So only we name it as C4 cycle. Okay, this 4 carbon compound, oxaloacetic acid, is an isomer of malic acid or aspartic acid. Okay. Now, when this oxaloacetic acid converts to malic acid, this malic acid enters the bundle sheath cell. Okay. Now, here what happens? This malic acid is a 4-carbon compound. Correct? Okay. Now, from here, one carbon dioxide released and the other one is pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid is a 3-carbon compound, correct? So, one carbon dioxide is released out. I told you in the bundle sheath cell only the C3 cycle takes place. So, this carbon dioxide is used by the RUBP and here the Calvin cycle takes place. Okay, some of the glucose converter, some of the glucose goes to the vascular bundle. Okay, and the other are used for the regeneration of RUBP. Okay, this pyruvic acid goes back to this mesophyll cells. Okay, this mesophyll cells, and this pyruvic acid is regenerated as PEP. Okay, I will draw you the cells now. This is the bundle sheath cell. Okay, and this is the what? Mesophyll cells. Okay, so I told you two types of chloroplast, right? So where they will be present here means here we have granule chloroplast. Here we have a granule chloroplast. Here granule chloroplast. If we have granule only, there will be light reaction, correct? So here we have light reaction. Here we have dark reaction. Clear? Okay. Now, how many ATP and NADPH are used over here? See, in C3 cycle, for one glucose molecule, we use 18 ATP and 12 NADPH2. Correct? Okay. Then, but total ATP and NADPH2 used in the C4 cycle is 30 ATP and 12 NADPH2 is used. Okay, 18 ATP is used in Calvin cycle. Rest of the 22 ATPs where it comes from? Sorry, 12 ATPs. Rest of the 12 ATPs where it comes from? The total for one glucose in the C4 cycle. We use 30 ATP and 12 NADPH2. 18 ATP C3 cycle. Rest of the 12 where it is used. See here. This pyruvic acid when regenerate to PEP, 1 ATP is used. Okay. ADP plus inorganic phosphate. Okay. Then also the equation is not balanced here. For one cycle we use 1 ATP. For 6 cycle, for 6 carbon compound, then 6 ATP used. Okay, 6. Then also 18 plus 6 ATPs we get 24 we get. Rest of the 6 where it comes from? See here. This part what happens means I will write you the reaction here. 1 pyruvic acid plus 1 ATP and one inorganic phosphate is free over here. This is converted to 3 phosphate is present over here. One phosphate goes to this pyruvic acid and regenerated at phosphoenol pyruvate, and the other goes to here and forms as 2 inorganic phosphate. Then one monophosphate is free. This AMP is very unstable. So for converting this AMP to ATP, one ATP is used. ATP is used. Okay, this is very unstable. To make it fixed, so the process is regenerating. Okay, so 2 ATPs is used at this step, one for fixation and the other for the stabilizing of adenosine monophosphate. Okay, so we will balance here, plus 6 equals to 30. Okay, so we get as 30 NADP, so 30 ATP and 12 NADPH2 is used for fixation of one carbon compound, for one C6H12O6 compound. Okay, so this is our C4 cycle. C4 cycle won't happen in all plants, only unique plants like monocots plants, but C3 cycle happened in all plants. Clear? This is the bundle sheath cell and this is the mesophyll cells. See here, one review will see. From atmosphere, one water molecule combines and one phosphoenol pyruvate. These two combines to form oxaloacetic acid. This oxaloacetic acid and malic acid and aspartic acid all are isomers. When this oxaloacetic acid converted to malic acid, this malic acid enters to this bundle sheath cells, and this malic acid is a 4-carbon compound and separates as one carbon dioxide and one pyruvic acid. Okay, this carbon dioxide used for C3 cycle and the glucose is fixed and goes to the vascular bundles. The pyruvic acid again goes to the mesophyll cells and uses 2 ATPs for fixation of phosphoenol pyruvate. Okay, next. Okay, this is the C4 cycle simply. Okay, thank you children. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section and subscribe our channels for more videos.